All parties Hurriyat Conference has said Jammu and Kashmir is a disputed territory accepted by the United Nations Security Council through its resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the BJP-led Hindutva government divided the disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir on 5th August 2019 into two Indian Union territories in violation of the UN Charter. APHC AJK chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has drawn the attention of the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres towards the plight of the Kashmiri political prisoners languishing in jails of the occupied Kashmir and India, urging him to take effective cognizance of the Narendra Modi-led government's judicial terrorism against these prisoners. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC AJK convener wrote this in a letter addressed to the UN chief. Massive fire broke out in the Srinagar city today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the fire broke out at the MLA hostel on the MA road in the city. So far, there are no immediate reports of casualties or injuries. This is a developing story and further details are awaited. Darul Khair Mirwais Manzil, on behalf of the organization and its chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq, has expressed grief and sorrow over the complete damage to 4 residential houses and the burning of the properties in a terrible fire incident in Srinagar recently. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a statement, Darul Khair on behalf of the Mirwais Umar Farooq expressed heartfelt sympathy and solidarity with the affected families. Over a dozen residential houses and a mosque have been developed cracks in a village in the Doda district, forcing the inhabitants to move to temporary shelters. According to Kashmir Media Service, residents of the affected village said that the Indian National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited was responsible for their plight. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister for Human Rights and Women Development, Mishal Hussain Malik, has strongly condemned the inhumane behavior of the Indian authorities with her husband and the Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik, who is illegally detained in the Tihar jail in New Delhi. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mishal Hussain Malik appealed to the international human rights organizations to play an important role in saving the life of the most popular leader of the occupied Kashmir.